everyone, welcome to Flavors and Fragrance recipes. So today in my kitchen I'm going to make kheer but with a twist. I'm not going to make a regular kheer, it is going to be a custard kheer. So sevia kheer that we make normally, vermicelli. So I'm going to twist it with vermicelli and custard. It's a very nice combination I just discovered one day and it's very tasty. So let's begin. So I've taken my small kadhai and first let's fry the dry fruits. I am going to dry roast them. I'm not going to put any ghee or anything, but if you want you can put. That is optional. I don't want to make it very oily. So I'm just taking a handful of kaju and I'm going to add some kishmish, that is manuka in Marathi and raisins in English. So I'm going to add this, and along with that I'm also going to add badam. So first I'm going to just dry roast them and then I'm going to either cut them or I am going to, not blend actually, but a bit of not completely powdery but kind of a crust them. So let me just dry roast them for a couple of minutes and then I keep them aside. Okay, so as you can see it's been 5 minutes and you can hear some crackling noise little bit. So I'm just going to off my flame now and let's keep it aside. Okay, so I've taken another pan and now first we are going to roast our vermicelli. I'm going to take 1 cup of vermicelli and I'm going to roast it, but I'm going to roast it in 2 tablespoons of ghee. My gas is at slow at this point, so 2 tablespoons of ghee and 1 cup of vermicelli goes into this. So the measurements that I'll be giving you is for 1 cup of vermicelli, and for that I'm going to use 1 liter of milk. So let's just dry roast this and we will continue with the recipe. Now I am going to dry roast this in ghee for around till it is light golden brown, completely on slow flame. So it's going to take around, I think, 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, so let's do it. Okay, so it's been like 15 minutes and now this is how my vermicelli is looking, sevaya. And at this point my gas is still at low flame. Okay, so now I'm going to add my milk first to this, and the other ingredients would be sugar, around half a cup, but if you don't want sugar you can also add milk maid, condensed milk. So today I'm going to add condensed milk. Okay, and see, this is how I've made my coarse powder. You can still see some badam and kaju. It's not completely powdery, it's a bit coarse. This is how people like it in my house, my children like it. Otherwise you can even cut the dry fruits into slits. That is also a good way of decorating your kheer, but we like it this way. So now to this I am going to put my 1 liter of milk, a hot milk which I've just heated just now. So you've got to be very careful. I'm going to add it very, very slowly. It's very, very hot. Got to be very, very careful. Okay, and now after this I'm going to mix this thing. I'm going to add some kesar, but before that let's mix it. And everything is on the slow flame. So let me add some kesar. I like the kesar color, so I'm adding it. It makes my kheer look very colorful, nice. Little bit of kesar because we are going to also add some custard milk into it. So this is a very different recipe of mine. It's kind of tried and experimented. So if you don't have hot boiled milk, it's fine. I just happen to heat it up. So let's stir this for some time, 5 minutes, and then I'll add milk maid. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes, and now at this point I can add my custard powder milk. So I had taken 2 to 3 tablespoons of custard. This is vanilla custard, and I added some milk to it, and I don't want any lumps, so I have stirred it nicely, and it's time for this thing to go inside. And we stir it again, and then I'm going to add my sugar. Now instead of sugar, you can also add condensed milk, which I'm going to add because whichever you like. In fact, for both sugar as well as condensed milk, it tastes very good. And this kheer is a bit thick, okay, because it's made with custard. Let's mix it nicely, and I'm going to cook this on slow flame. I'm also adding my dry fruits at this point, and let's just cook it for 5 minutes, and it's ready to serve then, and it's very yummy. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes and my kheer is all ready, and I've tasted it. It's very nice. See, it's like this. It's very tasty. And just cool it down and serve after it is chilled. You can chill it in the refrigerator or on room temperature, whatever you like. But this is a twist, okay? Vermicelli kheer with custard, or you can say custard kheer. I just discovered it and I like this twist, so I hope you like it. I felt like sharing this recipe with you because it's a little different. So do try it in your kitchen and let me know in the comments if you like it. And after serving in the bowl, you can even decorate it further if you want to add some more dry fruits, and then serve it, and you will love it. Please subscribe to my channel, and until next time, it's bye from Deepali, and I'll see you soon with some new interesting recipes. See, this is how it looks right now, and you can just chill it and then serve it. Okay, at this point you can add the raisins on the top. I had kept my raisins aside and I did not crush them with the other dry fruits, so you can add them now. This is how it looks. It's going to be like this. A kheer with a twist. Very tasty, very yummy. You should definitely try in your home kitchen. Comment and let me know if you have tried this kheer and you loved it. Okay, and I'll see you soon again with interesting new recipe.